with a severe thunderstorm warning. Huh?
Work radio station 100.7.
Looks like they're not going off for this one.
255-1332.
I thought Carthage was in Panola County.
We're good.
Why are they relaying? Why?
Places to think about.
Or 6.
102.9.
Someone's really relaying.
South Korean President Yoon agreed on docking some
I'm
nuclear
sorry,
armed
did they not go
submarines
off?
off South Korea's coast from time to time.
On the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Panola, Rusk, and Shelby.
What?
Cold is intended to bolster.
Yep, I guess they didn't go off.